Huh? Hindi na siya pumunta.
Not a phase, I don't recognize today myself.
You're the best this one.
Hey dear. Hindi pala siya cauliflower, potato.
Potato.
Yeah. Gusto ni Dad magsawsaw ng suka. What's that?
Oh, I have a wow.
What's that? Sausage?
I have a big tiny ball.
Akin to. Andun yung plato natin.
Oi.
Oops.
I think because you're... Yeah, no.
Okay, ayan yung kay Holding Rush. Yes?
I'm gonna have another one.
Are you? Go ask Uncle Jace. Gusto niya pa rin ng yung kebab na barbecue chicken. Grabe si Kuya. Yeah. Ma-overdose ka. Pang-apat niya na yun, Ma'am. Ang lakas. Yeah, but too many. So, kain muna tayo, guys. Si Tin, andun si Tin, oh. Ayun siya, oh. Si Mel tsaka si Talana. And si Das nang naiwan doon. Kasi yung, kanina si Jan yung nagluluto, diba? Ako na lang yung natitira, guys. And ako lahat ang kumain nito, oh. Dalawat kalahati akong ulo, yung maraming galamay, tapos 3 malalaking prawns. Ayan. And ito yung aking dessert. Watermelon. Ako na lang natitira. Yung mga bata naglalaro na sa labas. Guys, naglalaro sila ng coins.
One each, alright? One each.
Meron doon na, ayun, oh, nakita nyo yun? Yun doon. Gamit ko na yung phone ko kasi puno na yung memory ng ating camera. Okay, go.
So we throw it and then pick it back up and then...
Out. Uwi na si Em. No, don't be silly.
Holly, you have to wait. Holly, miss. Rylan.
Go, Kuya.
Someone's gonna get a point.
Oops.
I am not going to make this in. You never know.
Yeah, try.
No!
Go, Zach.
It's right on the timer.
Go, Zach. Oh.
If that went in, if that
Baba, wow. Go ahead.
if that bounced out.
Go, Kuya. At least isa man lang sa inyo makashoot.
Is it impossible?
That's cheating, Holly. Oops, almost.
After you miss
Cheating.
it.
Oh, almost, Zach. Oh, almost. Ayan, dessert. Meron pang tira si Auntie Mal na pavlova. Oh, ayan si Kuya. Nangunguna si Kuya.
What ball?
Nangunguna na naman siya, oh. Call pa. I want this one. Flake. Look at your hands, Kuya. Ew. Wash it first. Yeah. Kasi naglalaro sila ng puti.
Oh, there, yeah. Good boy.
Ayan. Nagdala si Auntie Mel. Kahapon na ubos. May tira pa raw siya sa bahay, eh. Oh. Baba, look! You wanna make your own pavlova? Come on. Are you gonna make yours?
Yeah!
Mama.
Yeah!
I don't know who's drinking these.
How about you?
Where's my pavlova?
Call pa. Yeah, pavlova? Yes, pavlova.
Where's it?
Call Dad. Wash your hands there first.
Drinks, oh.
Where's Zach? Dad, pavlova. Naghanap kasi kanina si Dad ng dessert.
Where's my boat? Look at this. Where's my boat? How do you make one?
What?
Is that ice cream?
Yan si Dad. Oh.
There's some.
You have to wash your hands, Baba.
I did that.
Oh, you did? Oh, sorry. Nagulo na mo. Okay.
Female makeup for
Here, oh, here. Come. Ayun. Here. This one.
You want lollies on it? Lollies?
How about you? Just enough, Baba. That's too much.
You want sprinkles?
That's too much. Baba, you have to put marshmallows
Here. Here. Here.
and M&M's.
Here. Thank you, Animal.
Si Pa, oh, ang ganda yung kay Pa. Look at Pa. Ang lalaki ng blueberries dito, guys. Oh.
filling them all.
Tingnan nyo, kagabi may Instagram ako, sobrang laki din. Oh. Ayan oh. Tingnan nyo. Laki oh. Compare sa regular. Oh.
Hi, Dad.
Ay. Where is it? Auntie Mal has it. Wow. Wow. Say thanks, Auntie Mel. Tingnan mo kay Dad. Look at Dad. Look at these blueberries, Mel. Lalaki, oh. Oh my God. Kuya, round 2? Wow. Kuya, pangalawa niya. Look at Dad. Is it yummy?
I make two.
Oh, you too. Now I have a yucky hands.
Eat it.
Hey,
I
Riley.
got no dirty hands.
You got dirty hands, Ate Holly.
Your face.
Look at your face. Is it yum yum? Oh,
Hey,
yummy.
Riley, you want to go over to the beach? Go
When?
for a beach walk?
When? Today?
Yeah, we might go over in a minute. You want to go, Holly?
Yeah. Baba,
I want to go you.
You want to go with me?
look at me. Look at the Chona. Is it yum? What's that, Baba? Nadapa siya kahapon pala nung dumating sila Dad kasi na-excite ba siya? Ayun, oh. Tsaka eto, oh. Nadapa siya. Ayun, ipakita sa inyo. And ako may pasa. What happened? Mel? Got bubo.
I got sore.
Yeah, she fell over yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, Holly. Oh, Holly. Yeah, look at,
watch.
you have to watch. Look at Auntie Chona. Oh, look. I got sore too. See?
Yeah. At the,
I
the,
got
yeah.
my picture.
Ang cute niya magsalita.
I got only 2 weeks off.
Mama, I need to show.
Okay, put it here. Yum, yum.
Lynn?
I want to have another one.
Oh, no. Just put cream. Just put cream. Okay? And put some M&M's, marshmallow, and sprinkles.
Lynn.
Or blueberries and strawberries.
Doesn't work there anymore.
Kinain niya lang yung cream. Hey, you're just eating the cream.
What's the last name? Bondovi? No, I think.
But, yummy? Yummy?
I just work there for
Antok na siya, pero nilalabanan niya.
Yeah.
Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? No. Oh. Maxie. Look at Maxie, oh. She's just eating the cream.
Please, Maggie.
Yeah.
Do you want more cream? I'll get you some more cream. Good. You want some more sprinkles?
Palagay ulit siya ng cream. Kasi sprinkles. Lola Holly.
You want more sprinkles?
Hang on.
Hang on.
Ready?
Oh, what's the blueberries, Baba?
Look out. Ain't yours.
Doggy.
How about you, Baba? Can I have some? Can I have some? Oh, that's little. I want big one. Can I have a bite, please?
I bite of mine.
I want Rylan. Thank you. May nilabas si Mel na apricot balls. Ayan, tapos ayan pa, oh. What's this one, Mel?
They call them spuds.
Spuds.
It's just coconut with condensed milk. It's
Oh,
nice.
is it? Okay, I'll try it. Ah, okay.
Hey, wishes.
Coconut milk na. Coconut just my condensed.
Hey, wishes.
Do you want to try?
You're sleeping. Kinakain niya dito. Kinakain niya dito. Yum, yum? Where you going now? Antok na siya eh. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? No? You wanna drink? Do you wanna drink? Uy,
Oh, you got it on your nose.
you wanna drink? Yeah. Thank you. Says, thank you, Auntie Chona. Oh, that's Holly. It's alright. Sharing is caring.
Thank you, Auntie Chona.
Hey, China.
Parang siyang, you sounds like drunk. Eee. Naasiman siya kasi ang tamis ng pavlova. Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Yes! Okay, I'm watching. Oh, careful! Careful!
Do you just leave that main gate open now?
Baba. Talk to the people. Come on. Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
Merry Christmas.
By Christmas, I'm dim.
Para kang lasing. What do you want to say to the people?
Say Merry Christmas, everyone.
By Christmas, everyone.
Cute.
Oh, what the?
Oh! What time is it?
What's that?
Uwi na raw siya. Mauna na siya.
What's that?
7:30 na guys. Pero tingnan niyo oh. Maliwan? Okay. Good luck. See you.
But it's already broken.
See you later.
Say bye, Uncle.
Bye, Mga Uncle Joe.
Bedtime.
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 Bedtime for you? I know. Bye, Uncle John.
Oh, alis na si Jan. Alis na doon. Si Jan! Punta kami sa beach.
Yeah, I think she is.
Yeah, I think she is.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah. You walk. You're gonna walk. Uwi ka na rin, ma'am? Uwi ka na rin? Say good night na to daddy. Be good here. Be good, okay? Do you wanna? Not yet. I'm not going home yet.
Just kiss you.
Oh, kiss me. Oh, Baba, do you wanna come? We're going to the beach, Baba.
Yeah.
No, hindi pa. Mag-walking lang sa beach. No, you can't. Come on. Sama raw si Kuya. Pero magra-ride siya ng bike. Sak, how about you, Sak? So, lahat na sila sasama. Come on. Wait. Watch for the car.
Hey, Zach, hang on. Let this car.
Wait.
Let this car go.
Wait.
Okay, go.
Okay. Quick.
Here comes.
Wait. Where's Holly?
Then follow. I'm going fast. Yeah.
Not fast.
Yes.
Oh, careful, Sak.
On my scooter. Okay, you go fast. Mine's a jet bike. What? Mine's a Oh crap.
Oh, Kuya. Oh my God, Sakura! Oh my goodness, people! Oh, diba? Hunter! Oh my goodness, these kids.
I'm doing that again.
No. You scared me.
No, the bike is not working in here. Oy.
What? Just be careful, Saki. Well, I told you just be careful. You don't listen. Just be careful, huh? Just be careful. Just one at a time, okay? Okay. Careful. Okay, Zachary, you're next. Wait. Okay, go, Zaki.
I'm gonna try and run down.
Just be careful. Wait, stop.
You just have to go in the middle.
Okay, Zach, that's enough. Okay, Kuya. Just be careful. All right.
Where am
Ang lamig lang.
Oh, the water's warm.
No, it's not warm. We don't have towels. No, Kuya, we don't have towels. No. Nalobat. Wala na tayong ano. Full na siya. No, Zach. Oh my goodness, no. It's cold. It's 8 o'clock now. No. Don't, Zach, don't. No. Look at. Don't you do it, Zachary. Don't you dare, Zach. Are you coming home with me? You're coming home with me. You're coming home with me. You're coming with me. Let's go home. Yes, Zach. Just your feet, not your short. Zach! Oh, ang lamig. It's not warm. No, I'm not. I'm cold now. No, it's not.
It is warm.
No, it's not warm.
Yeah, it's warm.
Warm?
Yeah, it's really warm. That's why. Come on, begin. Come on, swim, kids.
It's warm?
Yeah, it's warm.
Wait. Oh. Warm daw. Oh yeah, it's warm. It's warm. Where's Holly? It's warm, Talana. First time. Oh, Zachary.
Go, come on. Yeah, it's warm. The water is warm.
It is. Andun na sila, oh. It's warm, Auntie Mel. It's warm. Ang cute. Ba't ganun siya? Don't be silly.
I think he wants to.
No sunset.
Oh, it's sea urchins.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's princess.
Ah, 7:39 pa lang. Akala ko 8 na.
No, they're all right.
That's alright, Kuya.
Just in here. Kids, this way.
Oh, look at the hot water.
Kasi usually malamig ang tubig. Pero ngayon, warm siya. Naiingit yung isa. Wawa naman. Hi! Of course. Just be careful, okay?
Oh, get away from me! That was jellyfish. This is in
Go! Baba! Closer! Yeah. Silly, Holly.
my shoes off.
Ayun na siya.
How did you got sand on your back?
What's that, Holly? I know, it is, Baba. Warm talaga yung water. Usually it's cold water, right? We have freezing water kami dito kahit summer. Pero ngayon warm talaga. As in. Yeah, it's warm.
Do you want to take your thumbs up?
Just be careful, Baba. Huh? That's right. Walang hot water dito sa ano ni Dad. Shed. What's that, Baba? Is it really fun? Just be careful, Baba, huh?
This one, no, huh? Let's
Enjoy na enjoy sila, oh.
Mom, I really want to swim. Mom,
Don't swim.
I want
Oh, careful, careful.
it's almost summer. Can we swim?
It's summer now. It's alright. Tingnan niyo si Sak, oh. Good job, Sak.
Okay, I want to try and swim. Here we go. Can drive.
You're done?
Yes.
There's a sun.
Ano? Are you cold now?
I'm itchy. I'm itchy.
You're itchy. Paz has no hot shower. So you're gonna have a cold water. No hot water in the shed. Dad didn't turn it
Go
on.
back to the pies down in pies.
House. To have a quick rinse.
Can I you're making me itchy?
Itchy, huh?
Oh, scratchy.
Kuya, are you done?
Throw this out because you got burnt.
Kuya, hindi pa. May isda silang
Got a little
nakikita.
film of sand on it.
Where? Go home?
Go to Paris.
No. You have to wait for us. That's what I said. No, swim. Careful, Holly. Come here.
Not listening.
You don't listen. You were enjoying it before.
Sunbathing.
Tingnan mo si Kuya, oh.
Sunbathing.
Hiningal ako. So, hindi sila makakapag-shower. Kaya ayan, nagugas na lang sila ng paa kasi sobrang lamig ng tubig. Walang heater. Ano, Sak? Diba? Nagutom na naman sila. Maliligo daw sila ng cold water pero mabilis lang. Bago matulog, sabi ni Auntie Mel.
There's sprinkles.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna eat all of them.
Oh, no.
They still got the...
Don't get sugar rush.
Do you want watermelon? Yes, please. Ayan na si Nana. Ayan na yung watermelon. Okay, come here. Go there. Come on.
Merry Christmas, Ivan.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Ivan.
Ang cute. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Here, look at here. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
People.
People.
Do you want watermelon, love? You want watermelon? Watermelon?
No.
Ah, you want drink. Okay. This one? Say thank.
That's mine.
You can share.
That's it.
No, he is too. Look. They're gonna have quick shower. Lamig yung shower dito eh. Cold shower. Ayun si si Hunter.
I'm just gonna get I want to see how much drops I have.
Okay. Tingnan ko. Tingnan niya yung kung ilang andis daw ang dala niya. How many you have, Zach? Zach, how many you have? Tapos na siya mag-shower, oh. Zach, how many jacks you have?
It's like acid to them.
Tingnan mo, hindi ako inaano kasi nag-uusap sila, oh. Hoy, how many?
I'm not having a shower.
Yes, you have to have one.
I'm not. I don't want it. It's too cold.
It's alright. You're gonna be itchy. Go, hurry
I
up.
just want to rinse my...
No, there you go.
Oh, there's a black spider.
No, Uncle just get it already. Natakot siya kasi may spider daw na black. Hoy, how many jacks do you have? Just one? Okay, I'll bring you one tomorrow. Go. Ayan na si oh. Okay, hurry up.
It's my dog!
Ang lamig. Hurry up. Go, have a quick one. Huh?
I heard that yelling.
I know, go. Quick one, hurry up. Nana's waiting. Kain siya ng kain, oh. Buddy, wash your body.
I don't want to go in.
Oh,
You go in quickly and then come out quick. No.
come on, quick.
Yes, see? That one. See? Go. Kick out.
Out. Bisa siya ng pantulog. So, binibiruan niya ang daddy. Kanina pa siya ikot ng ikot. Go! Come on!
Tiger.
Go.
Huli ka. Go! Quick! Hurry up! So you can play.
And then Mama put it, I know what more video for you.
Oh. Yeah, where your trackies. Yeah, okay. Naka-jacket na siya. Get your trackies.
I'm doing that when I go to bed.
Okay, make sure, ha? You're coming with me, Baba. Nagmamakaawa siya kasi sabi ni Auntie Mel, isama ko na lang daw siya sa bahay kasi nakainom na si Auntie Mel. Baka raw umiyak siya mamayang gabi. Hindi siya pwedeng i-drive ni Auntie Mel kasi nakainom na si Auntie Mel. Next time na lang, Baba. Next time. Next time. Because Auntie Mel is drinking now. What if you cry later on? Huh? You won't? What if you did?
Yes, I would.
But everyone said you come with me because everyone's drinking, Baba. You can come back tomorrow morning here. Nagmamakaawa siya na dito raw siya matulog kay Auntie na I'll just drop you up tomorrow early in the morning, okay? I'll get up very early for you. Come on. Come on. Gusto niya talaga magstay. I'll drop you up early in the morning so you can have breakfast with the boys, huh? Okay? You want to sleep with the boys? Maybe next time, okay? Next time. Kawawa naman. Uminom kasi si Auntie Mel. I'll drop you up tomorrow morning. Mag-aalas 9 na. Tingnan niyo yung plane na binigay ko kay TJ. Ang ganda ng lipad lagi. Baba! Wala. Until dust. Nag-over the backwood sila. Baba! We're going home now. Come on.
See ya.
Yeah.
See ya.
See you, Sam.
I'm thirsty.
Are you? Drink some water. Huh?
Where's Mushy?
It's in your bike. It's in the basket. Kuya, see ya! No kiss for mom? Tingnan yung airplane, oh. Yeah!
Mama, I like that airplane.
You like it? Good. Oh! Oh, thank. Oh my God! Thank you. Where's Moshi?
Mushy's in my bag. See guys.
Okay, we're gonna close the. Wait. Rylan, we're gonna close the vlog, Baba. Okay. Oh. Close the. Dad, close the vlog. You too. Close the vlog. Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Say good night.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Good night, guys. Bye. Ah, what's that? Okay, drop up po na lang ito bukas dito para
Okay,
mag-break.
Mommy, let's go.
Let's go.
Mommy, I want to get something in that bag.
Which bag?
The grocery one.
We're gonna bring it back, Baba.
Or can I just eat something there?
Yeah, ito dalhin namin to.
Just choose it.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause